Hello friends, welcome to my channel Game of Trades. Today is 22nd of February 2018 and I will be analyzing SUNPHARMA. This is one of the query in one of my WhatsApp group. First see the disclaimer. Whatever information you are viewing through this YouTube channel is only for educational purpose and any trade that you wish to take upon based on any suggestions made here is entirely your responsibility and I can't be held legally responsible for your profit or loss. Now pharmaceuticals, this is the monthly chart. Now if I understand the perspective of the question being asked in WhatsApp group, it was that somebody wants to buy it for delivery. But I think the hidden agenda was that they want to add to the existing position. This is what I believe, I'm not sure. The question was just that should we buy it for delivery? Now you already hold it if at all you do, or for anyone who is watching this video, if you already hold it and you see that it is not performing well, and since it has come down to certain level, should you buy it or not? So I will try to explain that more generically than to focus on Sun Pharma itself. Now, this is the normal tendency of we retail traders that if some stock or a script has come down considerably, we think that this is the right time to buy. So if you have been following it and if you see that it has fallen till this level 20-day EMA, 20-month EMA, because this is a monthly chart, and you will say okay, now we are getting it at much lower price, let's buy it. You keep holding it for some month and you see again a big dip. We see some rally here. After this dip you told okay, I'm in grave loss, what should I do? And of course you will not exit because you have bought it for delivery, and that would mean that you will keep it lifelong unless you see positive in your account, unless it gives you some positive returns, else you will keep carrying it. Now you see here and you say okay, I made a wrong decision, this was not the low. Now you see some good up move and then you see okay, now it has come down to at least what my price was, and then it's good that that you hold on to it because the trend is intact and it will go up. Now you see again it is coming down, and then here you had the similar feeling, then the story repeats and here you are in a grave loss. Here when it comes you are again in grave loss, and now again you are thinking the same question had arisen you at this level also. Should we add here at this level? We bought here, now we should we add here? And possibly many do add at this level. Now you have added here, it came down here, it is now 50-month EMA, and this is also very good support. So you will think again that let's say that you added here at the bottom itself, you added here and it went up, now you are very happy, but then again it has come down and you see these red candles coming up, and now similar feelings, what happened here, what happened here, and what happened here, that you want to add to your losing position. Now if you keep doing that, now, if you keep adding to the losing position only because it has come down and down and down, this is not how it should work, and this will not work in your favor. You will you will be in loss, heavier loss, again heavier loss. This is what will happen. I will talk about when to add an or in my later video and what I am doing with my portfolio and when I will start adding or if I am adding or not. This mostly if this weekend I'll get time, this is the time that I should make it, because I believe a lot of people will have this question and they might be looking to add their position, and if they are adding, they are buying, and this big players, let's say mutual fund and other big players like Junjunwala and all, if they are selling it because they want to save their taxes, 10% taxes because their profits are in crores, hundreds of crores. So they have to pay few crores for just as a tax. So if they want to save that, they are selling it and you are buying it. If we have this kind of a match, this is good for them, not good for you. So we'll talk about it in my coming videos, but as of now I will just focus, just I wanted to give a brief overview of what's happening and what are the questions being raised. So currently hold yourself, don't do anything just in a rush, because you are, and in TV also they will be telling that okay, this used to trade at a price of around 1100 or 1200, and now you are getting it at discount of around 400. So would you this discount, whatever discount they give you or whatever discount they show you on TV, if this discount is still getting discounted at lower level, it does not make sense. And at every dip they will be telling that this is a discount, this is a discount, and this is a discount. So this LC, this long term capital gain has come just now, right? But we are seeing selling here since long back. So since the start of 2015 we see a selling has come, and it is just being sold off without being bought, so if you see such thing happening, definitely you should refrain from this kind of a stock for portfolio purpose. There are some better stocks which are performing good. Only because this has come down, it does not make sense that you add this in your portfolio. So currently, I will say no, don't add, and in a broader perspective, I will explain in the later video, and possibly I will take the example of Sun Pharma. So this is what we see here. Now let me draw another channel. So this is the monthly chart, and we see that it is, I just wanted to make this so that I could show you that this is nicely going down. We have this RSI which is now currently touching 40, and we'll see that whether this penetrates down or it goes up from this level. This was the monthly chart, so a long term perspective. Now coming to weekly chart. On weekly chart we see, now let's go back to monthly chart. Let me see this level also, Fibonacci level. So on Fibonacci level we see that it has come down to the 61% retracement level. Now the things looks like okay, now this is a support that must be taken. Then just ask this question, why not this 50%, right? This is also a good support. Now only because it has come at the golden ratio, there are a lot of things that has to be taken care. Just this golden ratio should not let you into buying. We'll talk about it later. It has touched, and what this golden ratio has done is that a bit of rally has ensued, but then we have to check if this gets sold off or if we continue to rally. This is something, sustenance is important. Now going to the weekly chart, let me draw another trend line. Now if you see this trend line, currently you might see okay, this is currently holding support. Now let me draw something else. There's another way of looking at it. This trend line has broken. This short-term trend line has broken. This has broken below 20-day EMA. So currently, I will not suggest you to buy. We have to see some price action going at least this level. You know, this is around 676 or 680 above. Before that, unless it shows the strength, let's not buy it, right? So if you are looking for buying some pharmaceutical at this price, I will not suggest to do that. I will not do that. uh, if we are in an uptrend, I am ready to buy in at higher price. I don't know if this is the bottom. I didn't know here if this was the bottom here. It so if you just stay here, this is double bottom, right? So we see here price, we see here also again we came to that level, we see again we came to that level, but then this was broken. This was 50-day EMA or 38. This was 30-day EMA and this was broken. This was this was 38% retracement level which was broken. This was 50% which was broken. Here also this was a very good support, guys. So this was a breakout level, and after that there was a retest, and then after this again we see a retest, again a support was taken, and then this is the level from where we see a lot of buying has come and Sun Pharma had rallied a lot. Now after price has come down to this level, at this, even this was broken. So let's not just start thinking only because only because some stock has come down a lot low, then it does not mean that we start buying it. We will hold it. If you are holding Sun Pharma, then it's up to you what you want to do. Either you want to exit or you want to see for some more days if this 68% retracement it can hold or not, or if a buying start from this level. So currently if you are just looking for adding this, I will say no. For trading purpose we may see a bounce, but then it does not mean that for delivery purpose we will buy it. So this is what you see, that we have a breakdown of this. So we will see, and this has also come down with some good volume. So this is something that you got to watch, and we see that big players would be looking for selling it if at all they have it, right? uh, so that's it, guys. If you have any further queries, you can write in the comment section. And if you want to join my WhatsApp group, no WhatsApp here. I don't want to increase my WhatsApp group. I mean, there are a lot of pings I am already getting, and some if I'm getting, then I'm adding. I'm not mentioning now my phone number in any of the videos which I'm uploading. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.